Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious lemon cupcakes. We're going to start off with half a cup of margarine butter. The butter is slightly melted in the microwave. Now to the butter, we are going to add 2/3 cups of brown sugar. I recommend you use brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar. And now we just want to cream our butter and sugar together very well using a whisk. You can also use an electric mixer. Once the butter is well combined with the sugar, we are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract, and then we just continue mixing it in until it is also well combined. And now we are going to add half a tablespoon of lemon zest. Now when you are grating your lemon, make sure you are only doing it gently on the surface of the lemon and you're not going into deep to the white part of the lemon, because if you grate in the white part of the lemon peel, then your cupcakes will become bitter. So this is how it looks like. If you would like to have a more citrusy lemon flavor, you are more than welcome to add more lemon zest. Now to that, we are also going to add half a tablespoon of lemon juice. So the lemon juice is freshly squeezed from the lemon that I used before, but you can also use the store-bought lemon juice. And then we just want to mix in our ingredients. We are also going to add 2 eggs. Then we mix it together. After that, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we are going to add 1 cup of self-rising flour. We're going to start off with 1 cup and add more flour as we go until we reach the consistency we like. I decided to add 4 more tablespoons of self-rising flour. Now the quantity of flour needed will slightly differ from area to area. We will probably need more flour than I will be needing, or you will need less flour than I will be needing. Just make sure that at least you need to have 1 cup of flour, and do not add more than half a cup of flour. And you're just going to get a spatula or a wooden spoon and fold in the flour. Now you're going to just fold it in until it is just combined. You do not want to over mix it because we want to have fluffy cupcakes. This is the consistency we would like to achieve. After that, we are going to get our muffin tray and line it with some cupcake liners. If you do not have cupcake liners, you can also just slightly grease your muffin tray with some cooking oil or butter. I'm using a tablespoon so that I can scoop in equal amounts of the cake batter. We are going to place our tray in a preheated oven and we are going to bake our cupcakes at 180 degrees Celsius for plus/minus 20 minutes. Our cupcakes are now baked. We're just going to let them cool down for some minutes so that we can decorate them with some icing. For our lemon buttercream icing, we'll need 1/3 cup of butter and 1 cup of icing sugar. You can always increase the icing sugar amount according to your taste. And then we just want to mix it together very well with either a whisk or an electric mixer. Now we're going to squeeze in some lemon juice. You can also use the store-bought lemon juice, and the quantity of lemon needed here is just according to your taste, so you can just taste and see if you would like to add more lemon juice. Some vanilla essence and some lemon or lime zest. And there we have it, guys. We just made our lemon cupcakes. I'm telling you guys, these cupcakes are so fluffy and very delicious. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye. See you in the next video.